All right, Brian McLean with PMM Cranes and Pedowitz Machinery Movers here early on a Saturday morning in Soho, where we are watching PMM rig up some heavy equipment that's going to be loaded onto the top of this building, the Google building. We're going to talk to the project manager, David Epstein, who's going to tell us all about it.
I'm Dave Epstein with Benchmark Builders, here today at 345 Hudson, doing a rig with PMM Cranes. The equipment we have going up today is a generator, which is about 19,000 pounds, and a couple pieces of mechanical equipment, which are a few thousand pounds. Nothing crazy. The generator is our main point. It's also the height. We have a tall building today, 17, 18 floors up to the roof. A lot of surveying goes into the process before we even start. PMM came in, they survey the area, and they take a look at all the conditions that could affect the crane setup, the crane placement, the weight of the crane, and just being able to lift the heavy equipment up to the roof. At the end of the day, we're going to have 4 pieces of equipment up on the roof. A generator, 2 pieces of HVAC equipment, and a header tank for the fuel system. All right, gotta go.
This crane is getting bigger by the minute. Looks like the generator and the AC units are here. That means it's time to rig them up. Don't forget, call PMM Cranes at 631-464-4900. See you next time.